let's talk inheritance tax. So New Jersey is one of 5 states that's still even imposing inheritance tax, but the tax that you may owe on your inheritance varies based on the relationship with the person that passed. Now, this relationship is set into a couple different classes. Now, your class determines your tax rate. So, Class A includes a spouse, a domestic partner, father, mother, grandparent, child, right? Now, if you're Class A, you don't have to pay tax on this inheritance. Now, since Class B was eliminated, we're going to skip to Class C, which is your brother and your sister, and that's 11% on any amount excess of $25,000 up to 1.1 million. So again, from 25,000 up to 1.1 million, and in a Class C, that will be your tax rate. That would be 11%, and then it will be 13% on 1.1 million and above, up to 1.4 million, right? So now we got 11%, 13%, and then you got 14% on 1.4 million and up, right? Stay with me. 16% on any amount excess of 1.7 million. Now, again, I'm not a tax professional. You should talk to a tax professional to get more details on this, but this is just based on online information and based on me just dealing with families who are navigating the probate process. Right now, Class D is any other beneficiary not covered under Class A, Class C, right? And that's 15. That tax rate is 15% on any amount up to 700,000, and then that's 15% on any amount up to 700,000, and then 16% after 700,000. Right now, this class, then we got a class that includes tax exempt, which is charities, government bodies, churches, hospitals, libraries, educational institutions. They get no tax. So say Grandma Betty passed, she transitioned, and she gave all her money to the church. They wouldn't pay any tax. So shout out to the church, right? I guess. But yeah, so this is really just, this is a quick video on inheritance tax. Again, I'm not a tax professional. However, I just want to make this video just to give you an overview and give you just a little information on classes, how the inheritance tax work, and the fact that we're one of 5 states at the time of this recording that have inheritance tax. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, like, wherever you're watching this. Thank you.